Hi, hello everyone. I'm back in my channel. Okay, I'm here in a new job at the moment. We're having tea time. Malapit ng uwian. I'm going to off at 4. Anyway, part-time lang tayo guys. Now I'm going to show you our food. My food for today. There are three wings. This is like an adobo style, but it's in Chinese way with chili, kiwi, red kiwi. Now it's popular in the supermarket and full of vitamin C. Guys, we really need this one kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi tayo masyadong kumakain ng mga prutas-prutas. Ito naman, salad. Paborito ko, green chili, red chili, and hindi mawawala ang avocado. It's season for avocado this time. There you go. Okay. And at the same time, I'm going to have this soft drink. Ayoko nang pakita. Basta alam nyo na, soft drink. And then, for my dessert is yogurt. This kind of yogurt, you can just drink it with the straw. Pero ako naman, parang gusto mo lang tinatama at pwede mo nang inumin, pwede mo nang kutsarahin, guys. Okay, before I forget, hello everyone all over the world. How are you in Canada? How are you? I know you're in bed now. Philippines is still working hours at this time. So, I want to shout out to all of you in Nueva Vizcaya, Ilocano, any kind of dialects. How are you, everyone there? Hope you guys in good health, and thank you for supporting me and loving me. And with all your support, I'm not convinced to do all these things. So thank you for watching my videos and all the comments you've given to me. I'm so proud of it. And then salamat sa inyong lahat. And then that's all I can say. So please join me eating the food now. Wala nang lipstick kasi kainan na. Mamaya ang lipstick, may trabaho ulit. Hanggang ito ang kakain ni Lola. In fairness, this kiwi, this is really sweet this time. This is the season for the red kiwi. I haven't tried this in my life kasi sa Pilipinas, parang alam ko lang kainin is star apple, pomelo na mapait-pait pa, diba, right? Pomelo, apple, banana, because before, when I was younger, we used to have that kind of banana. We go on top of the mountain, we count banana and we buy banana, buy and sell. Yeah, that's the job of my mom before, and we really need to help kasi ang dami naming magkakapatid. Malapit na kaming hindi kakain, guys, kasi ang tataho pa namin. So you have to think that you really need to work hard this time, guys. Hindi lang tayo umaasa sa parents natin, we really need to work hard also. Kaya we have to stand by our own feet pag nagkapamilya na tayo, guys. Well, I'm very happy that I'm back again in my channel. So hope you keep watching my videos, and please subscribe, like, and share. I'm happy to hear your comments, whatever my mistake, or you convince me, or you ask me to cook something about it, or cook something nice. I'm ready to do it. I'll try if I can do it. And once and for all, I love you all. Love your wife, love your husband, love your family, and most of all, love yourself. And don't forget to pray up there. That's all I can say. Well, that's all I can say. I love you all. Good night, everyone. Good morning, everyone. And good day, everyone. See you next vlog. See you. Don't forget to like and follow also my Facebook page, Ginger Chili Canberry. Okay, see you later. Bye. Love you all.